Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Wishing Well puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Wishing Well puzzle was made using 3 different types of wood: mahogany, maple and wenge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all pieces inside the frame in such a way that all pieces will be below this dark wenge piece and they will cover the opening. If you take a closer look at the frame, you will find that we have 3 pieces made of maple. I have to remove them, that is not so easy to do. And there is another 3rd piece made from wenge, and you can't remove this piece. It is stuck between these 2 parts of the frame, and you can just move it left or right and front and back 1 step. So we have a lot of moves with this piece, and that makes the opening a little bit smaller, and it makes it different all the time when you try to fit a piece inside. So if, for example, you can't fit the piece with the wenge piece in the middle, you can move it to the right or to the left and fit the piece inside. So on one hand it helps you, on the other hand it makes the opening smaller and much more difficult to solve the puzzle. And we have 3 pieces made from maple. They have different shape, each piece, and you have to figure out the way how to put them inside in such a way that you will cover the opening. So it will be like a 3 by 3 by 3 shape, but as you can see, the wenge piece has 1 part that goes down, so it will be in the middle of the top layer. That means that you don't have to cover the whole opening with these 3 maple pieces. You will have at least 1 piece of a wenge part somewhere in the middle or on a side, depends on how we'll figure out the solution. So if you like how the Wishing Well puzzle looks, and who doesn't like how it looks very nice, especially the combination of woods look very good. Light maple with dark wenge always looks amazing. So if you like this puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.